Welcome to Mi-Ling's Comfort Zone. Glad you can make it. Today I want to make my tip of the day is a really quick banana bread. When I mean quick, I mean quick. Everything goes into the food processor. You just mix it all together in the blender. You do your bananas and your butter, dump everything in, and then you just mix it all up, put it in your pan and bake it for 55 to 60 minutes at 350 degrees. You can't beat that. Very, very simple. So here we go. We're going to put in the butter and the bananas. And pulse that. And then you can put in the rest of your ingredients. So, put in your eggs, your milk, baking soda, apple cider vinegar, sweetener, sugar, whatever you want, flour, and actually I already put the salt in because it was up under the butter, but you can put the salt in, and then all you do, put the lid back on,
Those are the deer in my neighborhood. They're really wonderful to have around.
take that, of course oil your pan, take out your blade, be careful with that, and just put it in the pan and then bake it. And it is very, very easy, very easy. And for the full recipe, you can go to Mi-Ling.com. That's MI-Ling.com, and go into the food section, and it will be search banana bread, and it'll be right there. So I'm gonna get this one in the oven, and this is the first time I've tried the stevia sweetener, so we'll see how that works out. And it's normally like a 2-to-1, so if you have a sweetener, if there's 2 cups of sugar, it's 1 cup of the sweetener. So this one's 3/4 cup, so just a little bit less. Put it in a greased pan. You know, I really like Crisco, but I don't have any, so I just sprayed it. And pop it in the oven. Shake it up. Make sure it's even. Let me know how it turns out. That's your tip of the day. I'm Mi-Ling, and this is Mi-Ling's Comfort Zone.
Thanks for watching the video. I did add an organic stevia blend to the banana bread and it turned out perfect. My husband couldn't tell the difference. So go out and create your own unique comfort zone, and please subscribe and visit me on YouTube at Comfort Zone Radio TV. Have a positive and productive day.